Hey guys, this is Karen V from Valori Huntress. So today's video is something a little special. It's going to be how to clean these guys. So I already have a video which I'll show you guys right up here on the cards. Go and check that one out about how to clean your mounts normally. So it's just a quick little video about cleaning your skulls, just normal cleaning, like every month cleaning, and your mounts itself, like your shoulder mounts, cleaning and your turkey mounts. But today I'm going to go on velvet. So if you guys have never seen velvet before, this is velvet. Anyways, this puppy right here has actually had some bugs on him at my parents' house. I don't mean like, oh my god, we need to take it to a taxidermy type bugs. I mean like normal house bugs. Every house has bugs. Every single one of you guys' house has bugs. The little tiny microscopic little ones. The only reason why I'm showing you guys this video is because it's still not good to have them on here, but it is really good that you clean it. And I'm going to show you guys how we clean these. So when it comes to cleaning off these antlers, especially when it comes to velvet things or if it's in the fur of your mounts, get this stuff. This is the air in the can, like for computer boards and all that stuff. This is going to be the same stuff when you want to clean your binocs and such. So that video is up here for tips and tricks on binoculars and scopes. Anyways, so I grabbed the little red piece, stick it in. Now, okay, here's all that I'm going to be doing. Just lightly. I'm going to go with the grain of the hair. I'm not going to be super harsh with it. I'm just going to, a little spurt. It is a little bit too cold for this thing. My hand is freezing. Alrighty, so I just did a once over and he is officially bug free now. Now you also, just if you have a nail, just kind of, or tweezers, just lightly scrape. I'm going to come inside because I'm freezing. Alrighty, so this guy is officially all clean now. Yay! So, when it comes to this, I'd be very careful. I'd make sure there's nothing else in there, and especially when it comes to velvet, it's very, very, very easy to mess this stuff up, and it's very, very, very easy to accidentally have a piece come off. So you also want to make sure, because some of the antler will be showing through. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day cleaning your guys' skulls. Thanks. Bye.